So the question is, how do you maintain and clean PVC products? This is a home on the Atlantic Ocean, directly on the beach, and it has a tremendous amount of salt in the air. I'm not gonna eat it, but you could season a steak with that bad boy. And people are coming in and they're pressure cleaning and washing. But what happens is, it's no different than when you clean a car or a boat or anything else. If you just take water and spray it on and let it dry, it's gonna leave a watermark. It's no different than a car. That's why when we clean our cars, we dry them off. So what I use is just regular Dawn soap. This is in the cleaning section at Home Depot, Lowe's, whoever you like, A.L. Thompson's in the Cayman Islands, wherever you go. All right, and what I did was I bought window cleaning stuff, but you do need to get a sturdy pole. And then I'm using the window cleaning buff. And this is something that I'm just putting a little bit of water and soap to get in there and scrub the ceiling first. And it's really working well. It's the same person that washes your windows can wash your ceiling. And all it takes is a little bit of time and patience. If you have really dirty ceilings, hose them off and then start the process. Might need to do this once or twice. You really want to get all the water and the soap off. And that simply is the maintenance. It's cleaning. Dave's Cleaning Service. You got a ceiling, we can make it shine.